Okay, this is just a quick video to help us to be more productive when using CRM data. As you've probably noticed when calling, the data is often inaccurate or incomplete. Looking at the call statistics, we're getting a lot of voicemail and no answers. This indicates to me that we're calling a lot of very small businesses. These kind of businesses generally cannot afford our services. In fact, if a company does not already have a website, it will be very difficult for the design consultant to sell them a website. All of our clients, they've got receptionists, they've got buildings. If they don't have a website in 2019, they just don't value the need for an online presence. They'll be a very small business and they're just not our market that we're going to be targeting. So we're going to discontinue calling companies that do not already have websites. Do not book any more appointments unless the prospect has a website already. So when using the data, quickly search contacts before calling and check out the website. If you can see the website is old and outdated, then you can be confident that they need our services. This is about working smarter, not harder. Do not fall into the trap of spending hours searching websites because, after all, it is a numbers game. Let's not waste time calling tiny businesses or closed businesses. And let's make sure we read the comments on the contacts so we don't waste time calling someone that was just spoken to a week ago or has gone out of business. To give you some examples, let's look at this Cars and Co building services. So we're not just going to call the number, we're going to click view, open it in a new tab. See there's some comments here, answering a machine, calls not available for the current service, can't call, not allowed to call. Well, if we do a quick Google search, we can see that they're permanently closed. So there was no point trying to make that call. Can have a quick look through here and see if there's anyone else we could call instead, but there's no one to call there. So what we can do is we can just archive the contact, get rid of it. Secondly, we have a look at a different contact, this Moby Marine Services Proprietary Limited. Again, we're not just going to call it, we're going to open the contact. Nobody's called them yet. So we'll do a quick Google search, see if they're still in business, see if they have a website. Yeah, as a matter of fact, they do have a website. They're in Mortdale. They've got some reviews. They're obviously an active business. If we open up the website, we can see it's not loading properly. It's got really pointless stock photos that don't tell the client anything. I'd be very surprised if this site was getting any sales at all. All this empty space, white background. This business would really benefit from our services. Believe me, you are going to have a lot more success calling businesses like this that have terrible outdated websites than you are just blindly calling as many numbers as you can and calling all these disconnected numbers permanently closed. That's just a waste of time. We need to be calling people that actually need our services. If you only call businesses with websites, you will find it a lot easier to make appointments. If we want to be successful, we have to do that which other people are unwilling to do. We need to spend every minute being productive. I promise you there is real money to make, and there is real demand for the services of a company that provides fantastic websites at affordable rates. So let's make this week huge and create the future that we deserve.